Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I'm here to introduce you guys the most cutting edge stainless steel cookware available in the market today. I'm talking about the Meyer Trivantage stainless steel cookware range. It is made from tri-ply stainless steel. Now many of you might ask what exactly is tri-ply stainless steel. In simple words, it is two layers of stainless steel with an edge-to-edge aluminium core inside. Now aluminium is a very good conductor of heat. So this cookware heats up faster than regular stainless steel cookware and it uses less energy to cook your food. The bottom layer of steel is magnetized, so it works on every kind of cooktop, be it induction or your regular gas, and it is also oven safe. The Meyer Trivantage range consists of fry pans, milk pans and a wide range of kadais. The steel used in this range is Japanese, while the aluminium core is sourced from Australia. Tri-ply steel cooks food faster than ordinary stainless steel, thus saving on time and fuel. The handles are made from heat-resistant silicone that are permanently riveted, making them everlasting. The shatter-resistant glass lid locks in all the moisture, nutrients, and promotes healthier and quicker cooking. The cookware has a mirror polish on the outside and an emery or brushed finish on the inside, making the overall look quite classy. It is dishwasher and oven safe up to 180 degrees Celsius.